Cloud Radius by SecureWU2 is a SaaS Radius solution that was designed from the ground up to be completely passwordless. And what's awesome about that is that you eliminate the risk of credential theft, and you eliminate annoying password reset network disconnects, and you have the ability to do device trust. So because these certificates are locked on the devices, they're issued through your MDM, you're able to say, hey, only corporate devices get on this network, or my corporate devices are segmented away from untrustworthy, unmanaged devices, IoTs, contractors, things like that. Cloud Radius is hosted and managed by us. So you're able to just point your network devices to Cloud Radius and it just works. And the awesome thing about that is that Cloud Radius is enterprise grade reliability. We're able to offer a 5 nines SLA. And so it's a great fit for organizations that might have a lot of different locations that need to do 802.1x, and it doesn't make the most sense to have a Radius server on all those, but you can still depend on the network to be up for business critical things like point of sale systems. One of the cool things about SecureWU2 is because it's credential-based authentication and the SecureWU2 platform has a dynamic PKI built into it, although you can use an external CA if you'd like. We make certificate-based authentication actually an even easier end user experience than passwords were. It just works. People go to the network and they just automatically connected because we're able to work directly with your MDM systems, push out profiles like your Wi-Fi or VPN profile, automatically push like a dynamic SCEP or Acme profile that will then send an API, and devices are able to securely issue themselves a certificate. And it just works. It's actually an easier thing, and one of the benefits of this platform is it just makes PKI much easier. The other thing about SecureWU2 that's awesome about it is its amazing policy engine. So we're able to automate PKI, we're able to automate Radius authorization by having a direct connection with your identity and device endpoint management and security systems. So you can validate users in your Entra, Okta, Google, Ping Identity, whatever you have, we'll make it work. And we're able to actually connect different domains or different tenants to us as well, maybe if you're going through a merger or acquisition. We work with every major MDM as well. So Radius can do authorization based on the MDM as well as we can issue certificates based off that. So we can say, hey, you go in this VLAN if you are a managed device. You go in this VLAN if you're compliant with the policies you have set forth. And you can do the same thing with our integration with endpoint security platforms as well. Maybe high-risk devices go over here, or maybe you want to kick someone off the network if it's a critical risk score. Cloud Radius can do that. So how does Radius authentication work with Cloud Radius? Well, it's going to start with an access request that comes from the device and then goes through the network access server and gets forwarded off to Cloud Radius. And the first thing the Cloud Radius is going to check is it's going to check the certificate of the device. So we're going to check that it comes from a trusted CA. We're going to make sure that that certificate has not been revoked. And we're also going to make sure that certificate's not expired as well. Once we pass through those checks, we're going to go and validate the user. So we're going to go check in your identity and access management, so your Okta, Google, Entra, whatever you have, and we're going to check, is that user still valid? And we're also going to check maybe some information about the group as well. Second thing we're going to check is we're going to check the device trust as well. So we're going to go validate the device in the MDM, and what we're going to do in there is we're going to say, does the device still exist in the MDM? And then we can also check maybe some things about its compliance as well. And the awesome thing about SecureWU2's policy engine is that when we go and check that device validity, when we go and check that user validity, depending on what we see in there, we're not just going to say yes or no to the network. We're going to say yes, and let's do some VLAN assignment. So maybe we see that the group changed in the identity provider. We might want to put them in a different VLAN. Maybe we see that the device isn't compliant anymore, or maybe we go check in the EDR during this device validation and check that the risk score is a little high. We want to go and segment that away from our other devices. Maybe we don't allow that to be in the VLAN where some production servers are in there. And so after we've done a sufficient amount of validation with our user and devices, now Cloud Radius is going to take that all in its policy engine, and we're going to send to our network equipment an access accept message as well as radius return attributes, which most commonly are VLAN assignments. So hopefully now you have a better understanding about what Cloud Radius is, what makes it different, and how radius authentication works with Cloud Radius by SecureW2.